Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your card number from the app in Google Wallet. First, make sure you have a Google Wallet installed in your Android phone. Unlock your phone and open the Google Wallet app. On the home screen, you will see all your saved cards. Now, tap the card you want to view. This opens the card detail page. On the card detail screen, you will see the card number, the bank name, and the last four digits of your card number. For the security reason, Google Wallet does not show all your card numbers. On some device, the card details are more informed. You may be asked for verify using fingerprint, face ID, phone pin. After verification, you may see last four digit expiry date, virtual card number for online use if supported by your bank. If you need the full card number, you must check the physical card, use your bank mobile app, contact your bank customer support, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.